Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bell router. First, carefully unpack your new Bell router and all its included accessories. Make sure you have the power adapter, any necessary cables like Ethernet or fiber optic, and the router itself. Next, select an ideal spot for your router. A central location in your home is best for achieving strong Wi-Fi coverage throughout all your rooms. Also, ensure it is close to a power outlet and where your internet service enters your home. Now, let's make the essential physical connections. Begin by plugging the power adapter into the router and then into a working wall outlet. If your service uses fiber, carefully insert the fiber optic cable into its specific port on the router. Then, take one end of the provided Ethernet cable and connect it to the wide area network, or WAN, port on your router. The other end of this Ethernet cable should go into your existing modem or optical network terminal. With all the cables securely connected, it is time to power on your Bell router. Locate and press the power button, then give the device a few minutes to fully boot up. During this time, you will see various indicator lights illuminate. Pay close attention to the power, internet, and Wi-Fi status lights. A solid green light on these indicators usually signifies a successful connection and that your router is ready to operate. Finally, let's get your devices connected. Find the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the password printed on a label on your router. Use these details to connect your smartphones, tablets, and other wireless devices. For a more stable connection, you can also use an Ethernet cable to directly link your computer to one of the router's local area network ports. You can also access the router's web interface for advanced configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.